morning student, welcome to the virtual classes of JetKids. Today I am going to explain you the next part of our MS Excel. Okay, so Excel we have already learned how to perform the functions and what is Excel, how to perform the functions in Excel worksheet. Now today we will see the next part of our Excel, okay, sorting and filtering. So first of all we will see what is sorting and then we will see the filtering. Now sorting. Sorting data means to arrange data in either ascending order or descending order. Okay, sorting means to arrange the data in either ascending order or descending order. That is your sorting. You have to sort out. Ascending order means from A to Z or descending order means from Z to A. This is what sorting. Okay, now we will see how to perform. The steps to perform sortings are: first, select the cells. Whatever the cells you want to sort out, those cells you have to select first. Second, click on the data tab. Whatever the in menu data tab is there, on that data tab you have to click. Afterwards, what you have to do, from sort and filter. Okay. Third, second step is you have to click on data. When you will click on data, sub menus will appear. From that sub menu, select sort and filter. You will see the sort and filter. From that you have to select sort. Okay, and from sort, whatever the type you want, from A to Z means from ascending, or from Z to A, that is from descending. Whatever you want, you may choose it. Okay, now third step, next we will see directly. See, this is the Excel sheet and I have written names of some students having and marks of which subject: English, Math, Hindi, SS and Science. See, name, subject, English, Math, Hindi, SS and Science. These are the subjects. Okay, all these things I have written here perfectly. This type you have to first of all write down, means fill the worksheet, write with name, subjects and marks also. Okay, now we will see the next slide. Here in our next slide, see, select. I have selected the cells. From name, everything is selected. Okay, now after selection, what I have done, I selected and then I choose data. From data you have to choose sort. Okay, this is your data and this is your sort. Got it? Next, what you have to do, see, when you will select sort, what will come? This type of dialog box will come. This is the dialog box. It appears when you select the data. Here you have to write the name which is present in your first line of your worksheet. It has name, then values as it is, and it is here from A to Z means from ascending order you have to sort down the names and marks. Okay, this type you have to do. I hope you are getting. First of all, you have to write down the marks and names of students. Then after that you have to select your field, whatever the fields, rows and columns you want to sort out, select it. Afterwards, click on data which is present in the menus. It appears, data will open sub menus, and in that sub menu you have to click on sort. Okay, when you will click the sort, this type of dialog box appear and you have to select those things. Next, what will happen? See, sorted. See, from A to Z means L will come first, then M, then P, then S. It is sorted by name. Okay, it is not sorted by marks or anything. You have selected name, that's why it is sorted by name, and it is from ascending order, that is from A to Z. First of all, it is written from Priya, Leela, Mita like this, and now it is sorted and it was written like Leela, Mita, Priya and Sheila, like in ascending order from A to Z. Got it? Same pattern you have to do from for descending order. Okay, see, now for descending order, same, select the fields and then in sort you will get Z to A. select that. When you will select the, first of all select like this your cell, this is your cell, and then you have to select, this from Z to N for descending order, values, and like again names only you have to sort down from in descending order. Okay, next what will happen when you will select all these things, it will be sorted in the form of C. First of all S, then P, then M, then L. It is sorted by name and it is sorted in a descending order, that is from Z to A. Okay, like this you have to perform the practical of sorting. Okay, this is your sorting, sort out in the form of A to Z and Z to A. Which are the points are important, which topics are important, I'm taking only that much points, and you have to practice all these things at your home. Okay, now next we will see filtering. Filtering means it is the process to extract the records from the worksheet, means whichever the important parts, filter, you have to filter out. Okay, you are filtering water, what dust is kept in the filter only, and a good water means the filtered water is coming out. The same way, whatever the things you want to filter, means you want only that much things, it will be there, and other things will be sorted, means deleted, or you can say that it will be hidden, not deleted, it will hide, and it will show only that much portion which is the filtering part, which is you need, which you want only. Got it? See, same steps are there. Select the cells in data tab, you will get sort and filter, and from that you have to click on filter. Okay, now see, same, I have the same data I have, then I have selected data, from data, here data, and from here filter, I selected filter. Got it? Same is there, steps are not different, they are the same. Afterwards, when you will select the filter, see this type of, it will appear like this. Okay, now from this, which things you want to filter, you have to select it. I have selected math. Okay, I have selected this math. Okay, now see what will happen when I select only math. I will click on that. When I click here, then what will happen, it will open like this. When I selected that, it will show you like this, marks of math. Which marks I want to filter, only 91 marks. The student who got 91 marks, I want to see the marks and name of that person, of whole subject marks and name of that person who got 91 marks in math. Got it? You have to, here checkbox are there, unselect others and only select 91, so that it will show you the name and marks of other subject of the person who got 91 marks, and then click on OK. Here click on OK. Okay, when you will click on OK, it will show you the marks of the person who got 91 mark is Priya. He got 91 in math and other subjects also. It will show you the marks of other subject also. Okay, I hope you understood what I am saying. Third person is there who got this type of marks, and it will show like this. Okay, now this is what I explained today, sorting and filtering. You have to do this much things you have to do. It is very important for you. Whenever you will work with Excel, these things will help you out to perform the work. Okay, you will understood why I am teaching all these things. So all these things are important, so that's why I am explaining you these things. Other things whichever I am not explaining and it is present in your textbook, you have to perform those things also. I explained the basic things, some things you have to see in your textbook, and you have to try to perform all those things. It is very much important for you to perform work in Excel, PowerPoint, everything. Okay, I hope you understood. Last time, because of some problems, I have not made a good video, so this time I am completing this chapter. Now I will end up with this topic of second chapter. Okay, the other things, whatever the you want to perform, you can ask me in our interactive session. Whenever the interactive session will be there, in our next session I will send you the question answers of this chapter, and this chapter also ended. So we have completed 2 chapters of this year 4 chapters are there, and we have completed 2 chapters already. So today I will send you some question answers also, no, or in our next video I will send you the question answers of this chapter. Okay, I hope you are getting everything. Please do all the studies properly, see the videos whenever it may be possible to have your exams this week, this month maybe exam will be there, so be prepared for your exam also. Thank you.